Hello and welcome to another Excel tutorial. In this video, we will be knowing the examples for count functions, and the two functions which we are going to see are COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions. So let's start with the first example, which is count of salesperson. We need to find the count of salesperson for the sales representative named as David. So yes, if you have chosen COUNTIF function, yes, you're right, we are going to use that function. Count. The range will be the salesperson, comma, as we are looking for David. So where we have David as a reference, we are going to select that and close the parenthesis. Next, we have count of salesperson David, where product is Danny. So we have two criteria here. So yes, again, if you have thought of the COUNTIF as the functionality, you're absolutely right. It will be COUNTIFS. The range criteria range 1 and will be the salesperson, comma, criteria 1 is David, comma, criteria range 2 is the product. We will select the entire range, comma, and we have second criteria towards dairy, where we'll close the parenthesis, and we have successfully understood the two functionalities, that is COUNTIF and COUNTIFS. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.